New rods, new crankshaft, new connecting rods, new crankshaft, new head, and I got a bad feeling. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, welcome back everybody. We are almost back to where we started. Okay, the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pistons in. I'm going to put them in dry. Wipe them off a little better. Okay, I'm going to put them in dry, and the reason I'm going to do that is because I want to check that head again. I'm not even going to put the wrist pin bolt in. I'm just going to put it in just to, I can get it to go in. Boy, that's tight. I think I'm going to hone that too. It just never ends. I can do this on camera if I'm going to have to go in the vise. I tell you, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Lovely. Lovely. It's been weeks. Now I am going to put oil on the new bearings we just cut, so we do not want that to get scratched up or scuffed or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip this up. I'm going to throw some oil in here. I'm going to throw the rod in real quick. Nothing is going easy for me today. Nothing. Alright. Okay, there's one. All right. No rings, no nothing. We just want to make sure that head fits. So we're not doing any rings yet. We're not doing the wrist pin bolts, we're not doing the rings. I don't know what's going on with that nut. That's twice stuck on something. Get another nut. Okay, that's two. One more and we can test the head. What is going on with these nuts? Now let's try one more time. Okay, we have our pistons in. We have our head on. This is not leaving me with whole lot of confidence here because you seem to be sitting on something. This one, somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle where we don't have to fight with it. New rods, new crankshaft, new connecting rods, new crankshaft, new head, and I got a bad feeling. Take a look. Say it is the first day of winter. And I'm having a day, I'll tell you that much. Let's clean that up. Do this again. That's as far as it will go this time, huh? Wow. That is just crazy. Now you're starting to see why I didn't put the rings on. Go ahead, put in the comments how I smeared the Prussian blue on wrong. I know you want to. Alright, here we go again. Absolutely crazy. I've never ever run into this. Never, ever, ever run into this before. I think there's a helicoil on that one. This is just insane. Tight, tight, tight. Oh, it is right there. I can see the head coming up. See if the other two. Oh man, it is right there. See if that changes things. I don't know, what do you think? Should I leave it? Should I worry or should I leave it? Huh. Nothing on the top. Nothing on number 2. It's touching in a weird pattern on number 3. And then we've got this one little dot on number 4. But what a strange I mean, look how close that is. It's absolutely crazy. Well, I think we're doing better than we were. So it's just number 3 touching now. Looks to me like it's good to go, but throw in the comments. What do you think? Are we good to go, or do I have a big problem? Because I'm inclined to leave it. What do you think? Final assembly, or we got issues? The die don't lie. Before we had the 2 that hit, now we've got 1 that hits. And a little speck over here. Looks like there's a speck here too. Just send it. Or whoa. Put that in the comments. Just send it or whoa. Let's see what happens. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this one. Next one, we're going to fit rings. Stay tuned.